Hello guys, today I will show you how you can download your Snapchat data. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open the Snapchat app. Now from here you simply have to tap profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now from here you have to go to settings. So simply tap the gear icon in the top right corner. And now here if you will scroll down a bit, you will see this option that says My Data Other Privacy section. Simply press that. Now here to export your data, you will be required to log in into your Snapchat again. So I'm going to enter my details and then tap login. Now as you can see, I have to enter a code that Snapchat has sent me on my mobile number. So here is a quote that I have received from Snapchat. I'm going to enter that and then click on submit. Now after that you will be directed to a section that says My Data, and here you will see a lot of information what all you can download. Alright, so it's written that some of your data is available and best viewed in our apps. For other data, please click submit. Request below to download your data, and your data will be made available typically within 24 hours, but sometimes it might take a little longer as a zip file best viewed on desktop. Alright, and there is a limit to the number of times a day you can download your data. So make sure to do it right in the first attempt, and here is the data that is available in app, and here is data that is available for download. Alright, so you can go through it, but all you can download from Snapchat. Now if you will scroll down, you simply have to tap submit request. As you can see, we have received your request. We are preparing a copy of the data now. We will email you at this email ID when your data is ready to download. So that's all you need to do. Download all your Snapchat memories and export all your chats, friends, profile and everything from Snapchat. That was all for this video. I hope I helped you. See you in the next one.